What's up, y'all? So this is just a real quick video on how to remove the dash cluster on a 2009 Nissan Maxima. You're gonna basically pop the side panel right here, pop that out, and then you're gonna pull down on this. It's just clipped in. I'm trying to keep the music out. It's just clipped in right there, right there. You just pull it straight down. Okay. This is the back of the, excuse me, that's the plug for the start switch. So the start switch has, once it focus. So press down there, start switch comes out. It shouldn't interrupt anything. I've unplugged it several times and it start right back up. But anyway, you pull that out. There is going to be two screws, one here and one here. And once you do that, so those two screws are one there, one there. It just clips in the back. 1, 2, 3, 4. You should be able to pull it straight back and pull that out. I disconnected that right there. I don't know exactly what that goes to, but I disconnected that clip right there. So that one is this one right here to get the whole little gauge panel off. Throw that back over there, and then you have get steering wheel out the way. All right, so then you have this Phillips head screw right here, and it should pop right out right after that. So I was doing something else, but I figured I'd help you out. So this is Chris with McMath Autos. You can see us on Instagram at McMath Autos. Also on Facebook, McMath Autos. Our website is currently being reconstructed, so nothing on there is pretty much current. So we out. Peace.